What up, YouTube? What up, YouTube? So you can probably see it there. Today we're gonna be doing another unboxing. This unboxing comes from Grailed. I bought these bad boys used. I bought them for $90 plus $5 shipping, so $95. Yeah, let's just jump right into it. So yeah, got my little knife here, and they shipped it in a duct box, duct tape, not duct tape, duct tape, duct tape. I don't even think I need that. Yeah, I do. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. Remember, always cut towards yourself. Never cut away from yourself. Because guess what? If you do that, people are gonna think you're a loser. Ooh, it smells kind of weird. But, yeah, bought them for $95, and there we go. Ooh, these look sick. Here they are. FTP Undefeated. FTP Undefeated, medium, size medium. That's how you do it. They smell kind of fresh. They got like little jogger bottoms, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, gotta say. Let me just give you boys a mean show. Close my little knife. I'm gonna step out of frame. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm still here, just kidding. I'm not here mentally. I'm just slipping these bad puppies on real quick. Ooh, they feel so nice. And there we go. FTP Undefeated. The insides are like super comfortable, super fuzzy. I'd rate these pants probably a 9 or 10 out of 10. Yeah. I am gonna give these a wash just because, you know, I don't know where they came from. Somebody probably could have caned it in these. I don't know. So, you know, probably should have done that before I put them on, but, you know, I'm a risk taker and a shadow boxer. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, share. Share it on Snapchat. Share it on Instagram. Instagram Live. Share it on Twitch. Twitch_/ Twitch_/. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, don't shop at Old Navy, because Old Navy, more like old gravy.